Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel and our today's video on website designs for home services. As a home services provider, you're solving real problems for your families and homeowners, making their lives easier. But being great at what you do is just the start. To stand out and attract new customers, you need a strong online presence that reflects your expertise and professionalism. Let's explore how the right website designs can help you connect, convert, and grow your business. This is where custom website design comes in. A well-designed website can be a powerful tool for your home services business, helping you stand out from your competition and attract more clients. Remember, your website is often the first interaction a potential customer has with your business. A customer website designs give you the opportunity to create a professional, polished online presence that accurately represents your business. It's your chance to make a great first impression and start building trust with your potential customers. With a custom website, you can showcase your services, highlight your expertise, and share testimonials from satisfied customers. This can help you establish credibility and position yourself as the go-to expert in your field. Now, let's break down the essential features your home services website should include. User-friendly navigation. A clear and intuitive navigation menu helps visitors find what they're looking for quickly. This keeps them engaged and reduces bounce rates, mobile responsiveness. With more than half of all website traffic coming from your mobile devices, your site must be mobile friendly. This ensures a smooth experience for users on any device. Strong call to action. Effective CTAs guide visitors to take action, whether it's requesting a quote, scheduling a service, or contacting you for more information. Service descriptions. Detailed service descriptions provide potential clients with information on what you offer and how you can solve their problems. Customer testimonials and reviews. Including testimonials builds trust. New customers are more likely to choose a service that has positive feedback from past clients. Visual portfolio. Showcase your work with high-quality images and videos. This visual proof is essential in influencing customer decisions. Contact information. Make it easy for visitors to reach you. Include a dedicated contact page with multiple ways to get in touch. Blog section. A blog allows you to share tips, insights, and updates. This not only helps you with SEO but also positions you as an authority in your field. Now let's compare customer designs versus pre-made templates. When deciding between custom designs and pre-made templates for your home services website, it's essential to understand the key differences. While templates may appear to be a budget-friendly option, they often come with limitations in uniqueness and functionality. On the other hand, custom designs are tailored specifically to your brand and business needs, allowing for a unique online presence that stands out in a competitive market. With custom designs, you can incorporate specific features that enhance user experience and align with your marketing goals. This personalized approach reflects your brand identity and ensures that your website effectively addresses your target audience's unique challenges and expectations. Let's take a closer look at the design process for a home service website. The design process for a home services website involves several key steps. Initial consultation. We begin by understanding your business goals, target audience, and specific needs to tailor the website effectively. Wireframing. Next, we create a wireframe that outlines the website structure and layout, helping visualize the user experience. Design development. This phase incorporates your branding elements, color schemes, and unique features to reflect your business identity. Feedback and revisions. We collaborate with you to gather feedback, making necessary adjustments to ensure the design aligns with your vision. Testing and launch. Finally, we rigorously test the website for functionality and user experience before launching it live, ensuring everything works smoothly for your customers. After your website is designed, the next crucial step is ensuring it's optimized for search engines. This is where SEO comes into play. Once your home services website is designed, the next crucial step is optimizing it for search engines, commonly known as SEO. This process involves several key strategies to improve your website's visibility in search results. Start by conducting keyword research to identify relevant terms that potential customers are searching for. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your website's content, including headings, descriptions, and blog posts. Additionally, optimize on-page elements such as title tags, meta descriptions, and image alt texts. Ensure your site has fast loading times and is mobile friendly, as these factors influence user experience and search rankings. Building high-quality backlinks and creating valuable content through a blog can further enhance your site's authority and relevance, driving more organic traffic to your business. Benefits of custom website designs. Partnering with professional web designs companies can streamline the process of creating an effective website tailored to specific business needs. Custom designs not only reflects the unique brand identity but also incorporate advanced features that enhance user engagement and conversion rates. Companies like Home Service Web Design offer subscription-based services that include ongoing management and SEO optimization, ensuring that the website remains current and effective over time. Now, you might be wondering about the cost. Designing a website for home service can vary based on complexity and features. For a professionally designed website that meets your needs, the cost starts from USD 500 and can vary depending upon your requirements. Transform your home services business with Softric's customized website design services, specifically tailored for the USA, UK, and Australian markets. At Softric's, we understand the unique needs of home service providers and leverage our proven experience to create websites and drive online success and growth. By partnering with Softric's, you'll benefit from tailored packages, client-centric approach, cutting-edge strategies, transparent communication, and dedicated support. So, if you want to take your home services business to next level, consider investing in a custom website design. With a professional and personalized online presence, you can attract more clients, build trust, and ultimately grow your business. Thank you for watching our video on website designs for home services. If you're interested in creating a custom website for your business, contact us today. Our team of experts can help you create a website that will transform your home services business.